Yeah, so I have built a project. I'm going to show you a system I built that connects Spark, a professional trading platform, directly to Claude desktop using AI. So the core problem is simple. Spark exposes live market data via DDE, a window native protocol which is used by Excel. But modern AI tools like Claude have no idea like what DDE is. They can't talk to it directly, so I built a bridge that translates live DDE data into something Claude can actually query. The end result, I can open Claude Desktop and show and ask questions in plain English like show me my open position, what is PLN today, which stock is the worst performer, etc. So and Claude can answer using live data straight from Spark. And uh, if I show you in the Claude only, like I was trying it, if I show you like what's my current unrealized PNL, you can see here like these queries I have tested, and as you can see it uses the Spark Trader integrated tool. If I show you as a connector, you can see Spark Trader I have used. You can also view in the one second in the file settings. In the developer, you can see we have a local MCP server whose name is Spark Traders. And yeah, so as you can see, all these queries are have come from that local MCP that I've created. So the architecture is basically we have a DDE client .py Python file, this one. So this connects to Spark via DDE, polls the 6 ASX stocks every 2 seconds, and write price snapshot to Redis and SQLite. This is my database, as you can see here. Okay, and then we have this was a database, and this is my main Python file. As you can see here, it is a fast API backend. We have 15 API point. These are those endpoints, the order, analytical ones. Then we have the PNL history, etc. Total we have 15. Then we have the MCP server, this one. The ATL tools are registered with Cloud Desktop, so Cloud can call any endpoint by name. So the tech stack we are using is PyWin32/DDE, which read live EX data from Spark. Then we have Redis in-memory cache for real-time snapshot. SQLite is a persistent store for historical codes, position PLN orders. Fast API is the REST API layer with API key auth and OpenAI docs. Then we have MCP, Anthropic protocol, Cloud Desktop, and Python. So in this file, if I go file by file, so this is the engine's whole system. It runs in the background on window and keeps the Sparks data flowing. It uses this library, which OpenDT conversation with Spark, polls every 2 seconds, and write snapshot to Redis for real time, and access also insert every rows in SQL for historical query. So this one, and this is the main API layer. This is the REST API that sits between the data store and cloud. It has 15 endpoints across 5 categories. It has slash quotes and slash quote symbol for live price for Redis. Then it has position, PNL, orders, analytical, etc. Then every endpoint is protected with an API key header. You can run it with Ubicon, and full docs are at localhost 8000/docs. Then we have the MCP server. Spark MCP, yes, this one. This is basically what makes Claude smart about trading. It's MCP that register 18 tools, one for each type of question. Like Claude sees the tools by capabilities like get position, get today PNL, get drawdown. When you ask a question, it picks the right tool and give you a JSON and explains it. And if I show you a live demo, show my open positions. Here are 6 open positions, as you can see here. And if I ask like this one, what is the best and the worst performing positions? It is asking, okay, want to use from spec, I will say always allow. It has used two tools. One was the best and one was the worst, as you can see. Yes. So, and if I show you the order history one, so here it will call get orders by symbols. It will, one second, I will show you. Yeah, as you can see, get order by symbol tool has been used, and this is the data. So basically, this was my project, and okay, I will show you one last query about the portfolio. Okay, allow PNL history, portfolio exposure. Yeah, trading power last Friday overall the month has been grind. You end up net positive. As you can see here, so this was the solution. So this was my project, and another part like from this Spark, it using DDE, it does not provide the PNL, historical, etc. It only provides the ask and the bid. So for the PNL, basically we use the dummy data because it's not provided by Spark. So this was the project. Thank you.